All right, this is going to be Stormy Monday Blues, the Allman Brothers version. This was a T-Bone Walker tune. We're going to have this chord here. This is like a G9 chord. This is 3, 2, and 3. So we got some cool bluesy, jazzy chords in this we're going to have. So we took that first chord, hit it twice, and then went down one to the 2, 1, 2, back up, and then slid into the one beyond that. Hit that one again. So we got. And then we'll hit that again. Back to that first one. 3, 2, 3. Here's our little turnaround kind of thing. Open on the D, and then 4, 3, and 3, going down the strings. Okay, so our intro was. And then we're going to settle into a little chord progression. We're going to start with this 3, 2, 3. You could just do the 3, 2, 3, or you could add the 3 on the bottom. And we have a 12/8 type of feel, so we have like 1 and 2. Okay, so the chords we have that G7-9 chord, 3, 2, 3, and 3. We're going to go to this 2, 3, 3, 3, which is like a C7-9 without the C bass. So 2, 3, 3, 3. Then we're back to this one. Then we're going to go up 1 fret, a G sharp there and back. And then we're going to go back to this guy a couple times. And then we're going to come back here, and I'll show you the rest here in a second. So from the beginning of the progression we got, I'll give you a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Up 1, back down, then we go to that C7-9 chord, 2 sets of that, and then we're back to this first chord. Now what we're doing here is like 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. So all 5s there, up to the 7s. 3, 1, 2, 3, 6s, 5s, and then we have a C minor chord, 5, 5, 4, 3. And then we kind of add the minor 7. So that's 5, 5, 4, and 6. Okay, so let's go through all that. We got 3 and 4 and call it Stormy Monday. But Tuesday is just as bad. Go up a fret, back, and then that other chord. Call it Stormy Monday. Tuesday. So here's where we go back to the original, and then up to the 5s. 7s, 6s, 5s, and then we're going to go to C minor, get that pinky down there, and then this is kind of a piano turnaround, but it sounds real cool in here too. It's like, okay, so what we had is the big 5 up here. And then the little 3s. And then we went to the 5s on the 2nd and 3rd string, to the 3s, and then I kind of want to try to hit part of that like C7 chord, 2 and 3. Okay, so you got little 3s again, 5s. You can actually hammer into this one if you want. So it'd be like. And then 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 3, 3 on those top ones. Okay, so we got. Okay, now another cool thing is we can slide these little kind of double stops around. So look at that, we got middle finger up here and the big string 3. And I have my ring finger down here, 2 strings below that, ready to hit those higher notes and come down. So I'm sliding this one up, hitting the higher note, sliding that one down, and they both go down together, right? So we got, that'd be where the progression starts. You can do it on these lower strings, and then we're back into the chord changes. Here's a cool thing you can do. Okay, so I got my 3, 2, 3, hitting that 5 on the second string, and getting those little 3s down here with part of the chord, and then hitting that little pinky on the bottom one there. So let me be C7, 9. Then we got, look at this one. So this is, I'm going to use this pinky and let them slide down. And they can all slide back and forth, and find your own different cool ways of doing it. And then we'd be to the, moving up to the 5s, 7s. I'm just going to the 10 here, a little pull off. 6s, 5s. We got that C minor 7. And we got our turnaround. You could also go hit that C there instead of trying to hit the part of the chord without the C bass missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3. Okay, and then you have your blues scale on that. This is in G, so we have, here's your G note. You can also use the 3 with that, 3 and 5, but 5 is your root note, right? That's our basic home bass note. So we got 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. Okay, so that would be like the scale that you would solo with. Now it gets a little complicated when you get up to these other ones, but you might just go, kind of use the notes of the pentatonic that's matching some of those chords as you go. And this one here, the C minor, so you'd be up on the 8th fret up here. 10 would be your C note. That'd be that C minor to C minor 7. Now we got the one going up, 5s, 7s, 6s, 5s, C minor, minor 7, turn around. Stormy Monday Blues. So once again, check out your blues scale. You do the open there too. Get up into these positions. And if you notice, I was kind of, you got that chord. There's a bit of major in it because it's like a dominant 7. So you can think of it like when we go from here up to here, you're kind of like in a G chord. See how that just went up one and back, and then we go down here. It's good to see your arpeggio shapes. More on that in a blues lesson coming soon. Thanks a lot for watching, y'all. This was by request. Thanks for the request. We'll talk to y'all soon. Peace out.